Hey, what's up guys? A really quick shopping grocery haul. I forgot to start recording when we got in the car. So far, we have a couple of things. I got Mackenzie a baby. Please say the baby with me. We are back from our $100 shopping haul, and we actually got some waters that are left in the trunk. Spinach, spring mix, mini cucumbers, butter lettuce, loaf of bread, naan bread, some pears, tomatoes, avocados, a jalapeno, an onion, a green pepper, some bananas, Fuji apples, some clementine, blackberries, strawberry, unsalted butter, light whipped topping. We got some hot sauce, watermelon, 2 things of sugar-free turkey pastrami, some salt and vinegar hummus. This is so good. If you have not tried this, you have to try this. We got some yogurt. We got some sugar-free coffee mate for our coffee. We got a pack of noodles here, apple juice, some diet tea, and some almond milk in the bag. That is everything for our home.